Now, good morning, everybody. Today we will discuss some examples on order and degree and how to form the equations. Find the order and degree of the following equations. Find the order and degree of the following equations. Means d square y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5 by 3. Whole power 5 by 3. What I told you? Order is directly highest derivative. Order is highest derivative. In this highest derivative is d square y by dx square, second order derivative. So order of this equation is 2 directly. But what about degree? To find the degree, you need to convert it to a polynomial, I told. Means free from radicals, I told. So there is a rational number 5 by 3. It should be free from this radical. It should be an integer. So to make this as an integer, cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. What happens? D square y by dx square whole cube equal to, it becomes 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5. Whole power 5. Now if you expand this, you will get a polynomial. Now, what is the degree? Highest power of the highest order, I told. Highest order is 2. So order of the equation is 2. Order of the equation equal to 2. Now, degree is highest power or highest exponent of the highest order, I told. Highest order d square by dx square. Highest exponent of this is cube. So degree is 3 for this equation. Order to degree 3. Order to degree 3. And find the order and degree of this equation. This is already order 2 again, because highest order here is d square y by dx, remaining are dy by dx. So order equal to 2 again. For this equation equal to order equal to 2. But what is the degree? Degree of the equation can be found only if it is converted into polynomial. This part is already converted to polynomial, but here there is a dy by dx. If it is only y, you can leave. But this is dy by dx. Means this is a differential equation. Derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable in terms of log it is. So it is not having exponent. So it is not a polynomial. You cannot express this as a polynomial. Means degree cannot be found for this. Means no degree. Degree does not exist. But order degree does not exist. Degree cannot be found or does not exist. So degree cannot be found because it cannot express as a polynomial. Some more examples will discuss. Find the order and degree of these equations. How do you find? Same. It should be expressed in the order is directly highest derivative is 2. So order of the differential equation without doing anything, just by seeing itself you can say order is 2. But what about degree? To find the degree, you need to convert into a polynomial, I told. Means free from radicals. So whole power 4, if I raise to both sides, so this becomes dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 equal to 0. 0 for anything, 0 only. Now I will bring this to that side, becomes minus d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3. Now this is again whole power 1 by 2, this 1 by 3. Again to be made free from radicals. So raised to the power of whole power 6. Raised to the power of whole power 6. Whole power 6 means dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 6. Whole power 6. 2 3 jar, so becomes whole cube is equal to whole power 6. So automatically positive. Again d square y by dx square whole power 3 2 jar 6 whole square. So now this is free from radicals. Now this is a polynomial. So d square y by dx square whole square minus dy by dx whole cube equal to 0. Means order is 2. Degree of the equation, highest power of highest order is 2. So order to degree automatically again 2 it is becoming after simplifying. So order 2, degree 2 is the order and degree of this differential equation. 2 is the order and degree of this differential equation. Both are 2. And coming to this equation. Again this is not in the polynomial form. It is having 1 by 3. So it is again in the radical form. So free from radicals. So make cubing on both sides, bringing these two to that side or this to that side. So bringing this to that side, it becomes x into dy by dx plus y equal to minus of x power 1 by 2 into d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 2. Now cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides becomes x into dy by dx plus y whole cube, a plus b whole cube you will get. So automatically converted into polynomial, that's what I want to do. This whole cube if I take, now it becomes x power 1 by 2 into d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3, 3 cancels whole power 1. Now what is the order here? Order is highest derivative, this is 2. So order equal to 2 again. But degree of this equation, highest power of highest derivative is only 1 here. So degree is 1 here. So degree 1. So this is a differential equation of order 2, degree 1. This is a differential equation of order 2, degree 1 after converting. This is how you can find order and degree of a differential equation. Order and degree of a differential equation which is given. Sometimes you will give a equation and find order and degree. Means he will give general solution. You need to find the differential equation. Then you need to identify the order and degree. Those steps we will discuss now. Now, find order and degree of the equation. Means he is giving general solution. He is asking order and degree. Means you need to convert into the differential equation first. Differential equation first. Then you need to find order and degree. This is first sum in our exercise 8a. First sum in our exercise 8a. How to find the order and degree. How to find order and degree. Means first you need to find the differential equation. To find the differential equation, the procedure is first differentiate the given equation with respect to the independent variable. First differentiate the dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Now differentiate the dependent variable with respect to independent variable means diff with respect to x, diff with respect to x, diff with respect to x. So it becomes simple rule, x into derivative of y dy by dx plus y into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 equal to c into derivative of e power x is e power x plus b into derivative of e power minus x is e power minus x into minus 1 inner derivative plus x square derivative 2x plus x square derivative 2x. But you have two constants. Two constants means differentiate second time. So differentiate the dependent variable with respect to independent variables for those many times of the arbitrary constants. For those many times of the arbitrary constants. If there are two constants, differentiate for 2 times. If there are 3 constants, differentiate for 3 times. If there are 10, differentiate for 10 times. Here 2 are there, so differentiate for 2 times. So differentiate with respect to x. Again with respect to x. What happens? So this becomes again rule. X into d square y by dx square. Derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of y is dy by dx plus is equal to c into e power x plus b into e power minus x into another derivative minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 2x is 2. Now after differentiate for those many times you need to eliminate the arbitrary constant. You need to eliminate the arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants means here these are the constants a and b. You need to eliminate c and b. Here c and b are the arbitrary constants. You need to eliminate c and b. How do you eliminate? You can use the equation 1. From equation 1, c into e power x plus b into e power minus x is xy minus x square. So in place of this xy minus x square I can write. So it becomes x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx 2 dy by dx equal to, in place of this I can write xy minus x square from equation 1. Xy minus x square plus 2 as 2. Now there is no arbitrary constants. Now this is a differential equation. Differential equation with order 2. With order 2 means order is 2. Highest derivative is 2. Those only constants gives you the order always. Order no need to do always. Directly you can say even whatever the equation is given. Here 2 constants, order is 2. Even if you differentiate the 2 times, order is 2. Next, coming to the degree. Degree is the highest power of the highest order. So highest power of the second order is 1 only 1 you have. So this is a differential equation of order 2 degree 1. Order 2 degree 1. Degree 1. This is a differential equation of order 2 degree 1. Order 2 degree 1. Like this, we will do one more. Find the order of the differential equation of family of all circles with their centers at origin. He is asking, he is giving a what problem? Find the order of a differential equation of all the circles whose center at origin. Whose center at origin. What is the equation of circle whose center is at origin? X square plus y square equal to r square. X square plus y square equal to r square is the equation of circle whose center is at origin. Now how many constants? Only one constant. Differentiate for one time, then you will get order. He is asking only order. So without doing anything, you can directly write order equal to 1. Order equal to 1 because only one arbitrary constant. And if he is asking degree, then you need to go for differentiate. One constant, differentiate for one time enough. Differentiate with respect to x. So becomes 2x plus 2y into dy by dx equal to derivative of constant radius 0. Now this is a differential equation. This is a differential equation whose order is 1, degree also 1. Order 1, degree 1. If he is asking degree also, here degree is highest order is 1 only. Its power is 1 only. So degree also 1. So order 1, degree 1 is the equation of all circles having center at origin. All circles having center at origin. Coming to next sum. Form the differential equation where y is equal to c into x minus c whole square. C is a parameter. C is a parameter means arbitrary constant is c. You have to eliminate the c. How do you eliminate the c? Means only one arbitrary constant, differentiate it for one time. Differentiate it for one time. So diff with respect to x. Diff with respect to x on both sides. This becomes dy by dx equal to this becomes c into derivative of x minus c. So 2 into x minus c. 2 into x minus c gives you differentiation. Derivative of x minus c is c into x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. This is equation 2. So if I do 1 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 1, 1 divided by 2, what happens? So y by, this is dy by dx as it is, or y dash you can write, is equal to c into x minus c whole square divided by c into 2 into x minus c. C into 2 into x minus c. C cancel and x minus c cancel. Left out is y by y dash, dy by dx is y dash equal to x minus c by 2. If I do bring by 2 to this side, so 2y by y dash equal to x minus c. 2y by y dash equal to x minus c implies I can bring c to this side, remaining part to that side, becomes c equal to x minus 2y by y dash. X minus 2y by y dash. So in place of c, here or here if I substitute that value, then c will be eliminated. substituting C in 1. Substituting C in 1. C in 1. Then C will be eliminated. Then C will be eliminated. How do I substitute? So substituting C in 1 means y is equal to, instead of C, what can I write? X minus 2y by y dash. X minus 2y by y dash. If I want, I can take y dash as LCM. Next, what more we have? This is x minus c whole square. So how can I write x minus c whole square? Two ways of writing. X minus c is 2y by y dash. Whole square means 2y by y dash whole square I can write. This is 2y by y dash whole square. Because from here, x minus c equal to 2y by y dash. So x minus c whole square means 2y by y dash whole square. So by simplifying this, what do I get? So y equal to, if I take y dash as LCM, x y dash minus 2y into 2y by y dash into y dash square becomes y dash 2. Y dash 2. So final differential equation is, if you bring y dash cube to this side, y dash cube equal to y dash cube equal to 2xy into y dash minus 4y square minus 4y square minus 4y square. So this is a differential equation of order 1 degree 3, of order 1 degree 3, order 1 degree 3. This is 2y whole square, so becomes 4y square. That doesn't matter, not at all affects the equation. So becomes 4xy square, and this is 4 to the 8y cube. What is that? Same. Equation doesn't change. Order is 1 only, degree is 3 only. It doesn't change the order and degree. Just a small mistake. Instead of 2 square 4, I wrote only 2y square. So that is 4y square actually. That's it. Small change. Next. Y is equal to xy equal to a into e power x, a into e power x plus b into e power minus x, a into e power x plus b into e power minus x, where a comma b are parameters. Where a comma b are parameters means you have to eliminate both a and b. You have to eliminate both a and b. How do we eliminate both a and b? Means you have to differentiate it for 2 times. Differentiate this for 2 times. So becomes diff with respect to x first time. Diff with respect to x. So becomes x into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 equal to a into e power x derivative e power x plus b into e power x minus x derivative e power minus x into minus 1, e power minus x into minus 1. Now again differentiating diff with respect to again x. Now UV rule this is. So x into dy by dx differentiation again means this becomes d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into x derivative is 1 plus this is dy by dx as is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So instead of a into e power x plus b into e power minus x, I can back substitute xy. I can back substitute xy. So this becomes x into d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 2 dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, 2 dy by dx. And in place of this, I can write xy. If I bring that xy to this side, minus xy equal to 0. If I bring that xy to this side, becomes minus xy equal to 0. So this is a differential equation of order 2 degree 1. Of order 2 degree 1. Next question. Y is equal to a cos nx plus b, where a and b are parameters. Where a and b are parameters. Now differentiate with respect to x. Diff with respect to x. So becomes dy by dx equal to a into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So sin of nx plus b into inner derivative. Nx derivative is n, but b derivative 0. So becomes na minus na into sin of nx plus b is first derivative. But there are two arbitrary constants is giving a and b are arbitrary constants. So again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. It becomes d square y by dx square equal to minus a n into derivative of sin x is cos x. So cos of nx plus b. Again inner derivative is n into n square I am writing. So instead of nx plus b, cos nx plus b, a into cos nx plus b, I can write y. So this is y double dash equal to minus n square y, minus n square y. If I bring on to this side, equation becomes y double dash plus n square y equal to 0. Y double dash plus n square y equal to 0. Now this is a differential equation of order 2 degree 1. Order 2 degree 1. Order 2 degree 1. Order 2 degree 1. Question. Third one, first bit. Form the differential equations of the following family of curves with the parameters given. Y is equal to a into e power 3x plus b into e power 4x. Form the differential equation with parameters given. Y is equal to a into e power 3x plus b into e power 4x, where a comma b are parameters, means where b are arbitrary constant. Even if you won't give, you can easily identify what are arbitrary constants. Here a and b are arbitrary constants. So two constants are there. You have to eliminate a and b, means you have to differentiate for two types. Differentiate for two types. Diff with respect to x. Diff with respect to x. What do you get? dy by dx equal to a into derivative of e power 3x is e power 3x into inner derivative 3 plus b into derivative of e power 4x is e power 4x into inner derivative 4. Again diff with respect to x. Again diff with respect to x. The equation becomes d square y by dx square equal to a into e power 3x into inner derivative 3 into 3 9 I am writing here, plus here also b into e power 4x into inner derivative 4 into 4 16 I am writing here. So equation 1 2 3. We have three equations. By solving the three, you can eliminate a and b values, and then you can get the equation, differential equation. So your choice of solving. You can use elimination method, cross multiplication method, or substitution method. One more method I will tell you how to solve differential equation. Is just take this as an equation in x and y. Like 2a plus 9a plus 16b equal to something. Like 3a plus 4b equal to something. Assuming this whole as a, this whole as b. So you will get three equations. Those three equations you can solve any of three methods which you know 10th class. And another method is we learnt in matrices, determinant method. So that is, take the determinant, just the coefficient of this a is 1, coefficient of b is again 1. Consider this whole as b a, this whole as b. So coefficient is 1 1 and here y. And here also coefficient is 3 4 y dash. dy by dx is y dash. And here 9 16 y double dash. 9 16 y double dash equal to 0. We learned in matrices, determinants I told. How to solve equations. So using this determinant, you can find the equation simply. Instead of solving 1 and 2, eliminating 1 this, and then solving the next two, eliminating b. That is another way. Simple way is this. How to find determinant you already know. One more way is To find the determinant, you can apply row column operations or you can directly find the determinant. That is one more chance. Now, you can, I am directly going for the determinant. 1 into 4y dash, 4y double dash minus 16 into y dash minus 1 into 3y double dash minus 9y dash plus y into 16 3s are 48 minus 9 4s are 36 equal to 0. So this is 4y double dash minus 16y dash minus 3y double dash plus 9y dash plus 48 minus 36 is 12y equal to 0. Now this becomes 4 minus 3 y double dash minus 7y dash plus 12y equal to 0. This is the final equation. By solving the equations also you will get this only. So this is the final differential equation. This is a differential equation of order to degree 1. Order to degree 1. Order to degree 1. One more we will discuss. Third one, ax square plus by square, ax square plus by square equal to 1, where a and b are parameters. Ax square plus by square equal to 1, where a and b are parameters. So again there are two variables, so you have to differentiate for two times. So first time if you differentiate this with respect to x, so what happens? That x square becomes, derivative of x square is 2x, becomes 2ax, and this is y square derivative is 2y into b into inner derivative dy by dx equal to derivative of constant is 0. Now again with respect to x, 2ax derivative is 2a plus this is UV rule, 2yb into derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus b into dy by dx into derivative of y is dy by dx whole square it becomes equal to 0. Now this becomes 2a plus 2yb plus 2yb into d square y by dx square plus b into dy by dx whole square equal to 0. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now you have to eliminate a and b from these three equations. You can use the shortcut which I told, go for determinant, or you can go for elimination method, your choice of doing. If I multiply this with x and subtracting this with multiplying this with 2 subtracting, I can eliminate a first, then I will get b. Then using these two, again I can eliminate a, I can get b. Your choice of b. So two ways of doing. One is eliminating a and then finding b. Other is go for the determinant method. Your choice of doing. So I am going for obviously determinant method. So what I get? X square, a, b are the constants actually. I am taking this as the variables. So this is the equation in terms of a and b. So it becomes x square, y square 1. And this is 2x, 2y dash. Means I can take 2 also common. So y dash 0. And this is 2 I can take common again. No, I can't take. So this is, there is no 2 here. And 2y into this, 2 is there. So if I take 2 common again, so it becomes 1. And this is y double dash plus y dash square. This is 0. Now solving this, I can directly get, means 1 into this minus this into this. So this is y double dash plus xy dash square minus y dash equal to 0. So this is a differential equation of order to degree 1, of order to degree 1, order to degree 1.